The SUNSHIN TB-03S Mini, TB-03S infrared rapid thermal camera represents a leap forward in accessible, high-performance thermal imaging technology. Designed to unlock a new dimension of infrared detection, this compact device empowers professionals and enthusiasts alike to explore applications limited only by their creativity. With its high-definition thermal imaging capabilities, the camera delivers precise visualizations of temperature variations, making it an indispensable tool for diagnosing electrical faults, inspecting mechanical systems, or even experimenting with DIY projects. Its compatibility across multiple platforms ensures seamless integration into workflows, whether you're using a desktop, laptop, or other USB-supported devices. One of the standout features of the TB-03S Mini is its innovative clamping design, which eliminates the need for a bulky base. This space-saving approach not only enhances portability but also simplifies storage, making it ideal for professionals on the go or those with limited workspace. The USB plug-and-play functionality further elevates convenience. Simply connect the device to your computer, and it's ready to capture real-time thermal data without complex installations or drivers. Included with the camera are essential accessories such as an integrated clamp, USB cable, warranty card, and quality inspection certificate, ensuring a complete out-of-the-box experience. SUNSHIN's commitment to quality and practicality shines through in every detail, from the durable build to the intuitive design. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an inquisitive innovator, the TB-03S Mini redefines what's possible with portable thermal imaging.